Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri rang ba ka sarkar jilla ukan ra sangma harangkat ka jinga dan lang uba ranik tanling do Menteri Ketanat PHE next ngi ka pratrik kle herjurip ya ka Shnong Mawsdie Southwest Khasi Hills District halor ka jingpentrai ya ka Skhim samum ka batep kum ka jal jivan mission ha kani ka sngi na kle ukan ra sangma ulayo banit sakhi dalade ya kini ki korum kiba paka kibrayo ban penpoi shabar absan Tylli ki Longïng jo ka Shnong Mawsdie ha ka jinglut ka bakhan deulak nyopulai hajar tingka ukandra sangma haba ajingkran ula penpau ke jing songok komen ka bakrau banyoi bakala dan ke jing kalader ha ke Shnong kithau hadin ke jing poi jang ko haman la ki Longïng ula angru bakipat ba mensua ki ha ban pensitom ban penlut ya ka pol na ka banta banyo ya ka henry mentapat ling bakas Skhim JJM kipat ba klayo ya ka hayeng belawan ra ke jing kalader ka bakhui ka basuba hayeng hasam ban ha ke Shnong kithau ula ai ke jing yoro ru yo ba ranik tanding do Bade Ketanat PHE kibla trisitom na kamtaban penpoi ya ka shaman laki Longïng bad ula angru bakasar ka jela kadan ya ka thong ban pendap ya ka penpoi sha Baroh kinong sha Shnong jo ka jela ha ka bakut jong snam aljar alpuar
Longïng isuk mana nuta banyo iba kala kaladur ki Shnong kithau ka bakile yo hala ki jong ki hala jong ki yeng kumbala kren de chief minister but ka department ngindang train and shakmat hakaba kumala ay masim do chief minister nginang yai achieve na kawai ka Shnong hakawai pa ka Shnong ta ka bangin pendap ka target ban penpoi haman lak Longïng kata ka diga angnut jong ka department haka jingalam jong honorable chief minister iyo masim hadu kata bangi skam nginang lek khamha haka bangi target ban penyo ya Baroh ki Longïng haka bakut jong usnam hajar ar kata ka diga target jongi bangi pilti bangi laban kata
Jal Jeevan mission that has been done in this village, and I'm very happy to inform that 25 houses out here have been connected 100% by the JJM scheme at a cost of 16.73 lakhs. And like this, the PHE department is connecting hundreds of houses every day throughout the state, and we expect to complete 100% of these houses in a very short time, and we are targeting to complete all of this by 2022 end. It's a very ambitious target, but the department is working very hard to achieve this target, and under the leadership of our local MLA, who is also the Minister for PHE. In the last financial year, Meghalaya was one of the best performing states in the Jal Jeevan scheme, and because of the good performance of the state, we were one of the 5 states in the country that received an award and bonus for performing well last year. And this has happened because of the leadership in the department, which is being done by the local MLA, who is the Honorable Minister. And today we have seen in this village also, we interacted with the villagers, and they told us that earlier they had to carry the water almost from 500 meters, 600 meters, they had to walk uphill and bring the water in different containers. But today the water is coming through the pipe to the doorstep. So this is a great moment to see that this kind of development is taking place. I once again would like to thank the Honorable Minister for the tremendous work that he is putting in, the dedication and the focus that he is putting in. And I also take this opportunity to thank Shri Gajendra Shekhawat ji, who is the Minister for Jal Shakti, Government of India, who has been very kind and very supportive for Meghalaya. And I would like to also thank the Government of India, especially our Honorable Prime Minister